how to check block list on Facebook. Now let's say you have blocked someone and you want to unblock them, or maybe you just want to check the block list that you have on Facebook. All you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here and click on the settings icon on the upper part. Or you can just scroll down until you see settings and privacy and click on settings right here. After that, you just have to scroll down until you see this section that says blocking under profile and tagging right here. You just have to click on that, and if you have blocked someone, you will be able to see it here. If you have blocked someone on Facebook, that person itself won't be able to see your timeline, tag you, or even start a conversation with you. They can't add you as a friend, or in other words, you have got ties with this specific person. After seeing who you have blocked on your Facebook, you can also unblock them right here. So that's how to check block list on Facebook. Hope we help.